Hi, Jude. Hey, buddy. Are you gonna give big smiles? Will you give Mama big, big smiles? Give me big smiles. Do something. Can you talk? Jude. Give Mommy big smile. Yes. Is that funny? Say something. Oh. What else? Come on, buddy, talk. Jude. Look at Mommy. Jude. Oh, that's so funny. Can you give Mommy big smiles? Yes! And then what happened? Tell me. Can you do something exciting? Can you do something? You're 10 weeks old today. Can you give big smiles? Can you give big smiles? You look, yes. You look like you're gonna cry. Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna cry? Yeah. Oh, you're funny. You're so funny. Are you talking? You got a lot to say. Can you give your mama big, big smiles? Give me big smiles, Jude. Give me big smiles. Can you give... You got a lot to say. What else? Can you make your funny faces? You're not gonna cry, are you? Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna give me big smiles? No? Then... Uh-oh. Are you gonna grump? Oh no! Oh no! He's gonna cry! What's the matter? Oh. You don't look fat. It's okay. What's the matter? Give you kisses. I give you kisses. Oh. Okay.